Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change a fill level text box background color or fill color using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my fill level text box and I will change this background color. Now click on this form option, this menu bar, and click on the select option down there and select annotation. Now drag your mouse cursor or click on this text box, select. Now click right button for your mouse cursor and select properties dialog box, and properties dialog box go general option already selected, and this is fill color option. Click on this color box and select in color, fill color, and see the sense. Also says this one fill color properties, appearance option, and select color box. You can select other color. Also you can add your custom fill color and say it okay and see this. In this way you can change all of these text boxes fill color. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF from. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.